There we go.
Okay.
Where do you buy all these anyway?
Secret.
Target.
You mind if I join in on this?
Go for it. All right.
Holy shit.
Dang.
All right. Welcome everybody. Today we're opening up some Toon Chaos at Locals. We got 60 packs today. We're looking for the collector's rare. Let's go. Let's get started.
Alright, so we're on Pop Extravagance, turn one.
We're gonna have to do that.
Right.
Hey guys,
One at a time.
quick question.
So,
Should I probably use
in all actuality, how many super rares and ultra rares are you supposed to get?
different than that?
It's random.
Especially doing like this too.
With the combos.
Yeah,
You can go for it. We don't have to do it one at a time. Just kind of show me what you guys do. I don't have anything to prop this up. I forgot to bring my freaking stand.
I'm certain it would be good to put this stuff.
Alright,
So,
big money.
then it's decided. I'll be trying out my
KS data list. Nice
Yeah,
ulti.
dude, yeah. Hell yeah.
Ultra, I mean. Is it?
I think so.
Yeah, it's
I'm
an
not
ultra.
keen on that.
Nice ultra.
have a good one.
See you, John.
See ya, John.
So,
Magician of Hope. Nice. Okay.
Stardust. What are the super last collectors rare?
What's the magician's right now?
These are freaking toasty, man.
Yeah, they've been in the car for a few hours.
Oh, you probably put this stuff in the box. So what are we actually looking, like, do you
Any
want
collector's
specific
rare.
cards, any collectors?
Collector's rare?
Well, dude, I drew one from Dylan's packs like a month ago. Didn't even know I drew it.
I didn't either. So I got
Got
one.
Chaos Creators.
Oh, that's good.
Nice ulti. Ultra, I mean.
We're putting like the good ones together.
Yep, put them all together. I got Fright Fur. Not bad.
Viper.
Meister.
Fright Fur.
Sabretooth?
Sabretooth. Would you get another Chaos Daedalus? Or what? Or is that from the? Oh, that was from earlier.
Yeah. Yep. Nada.
Yeah, nothing good.
All the rares you guys can put in a pile. Or we'll just leave it all here.
Okay.
I'll just take the.
What's that?
Do you guys need help opening or no?
You
You
want
can, yeah, you can open it.
You want super?
separate too?
Yeah, put super separate.
Oh shit. I heard that was good for turning this.
Me too. Looks like the main character.
Come on, I can hold the camera too. I'm not big on being on.
You don't want to be on camera?
I'm not that. I feel like I have to perform.
Just pretend it's not there.
Yeah, we just got Magician of Hope.
Magician of Hope. Okay.
That goes where? Up here.
Supers.
I mean, that's a
Ultras.
good card, right? Like you can use that.
Yeah, I wanted to go to set, but they were like $5 at the time.
Nada.
Dude, I have so many rares, so that's why I'm just gonna leave all the rares here. So if you guys want any of the rares, those, go for it.
Rare card collector. Well, shit, I might take that. Unless you want.
No, because you're gonna open a lot of them.
Yeah, true.
Magician of Hope.
There you
Where'd
go.
you get that box at?
Oh, here we go. We got one.
Got a collector?
Chaos Space. Let's go.
Nice.
It's like, what?
60?
$150?
No, Chaos Space is like 60.
Oh, the monsters are the expensive ones?
Um,
I know, like,
Got a regular chaos space.
Sweet.
we'll take that.
yeah.
The regular Chaos Space is like $6.
Yep.
$5-6. So we'll throw that in there.
I'll take that.
Sorry, Alan, you're gonna get all this
Let's
stuff.
go, man. Already won. So the other day I had like 30 packs, and my friend pulled two.
Nope.
Yeah, that one's an ultra.
But it is an
Or
ultra.
tune? Or,
So ultra.
Chaos Space.
Two. No, yeah. Chaos
Harpy
Space.
Lady.
Okay, so I got 2 for 20.
Harpy Laters can go in there. Let's go.
2 for 20.
So the other day,
I know.
me and my friend, we opened up 30, and there was 2 collector's rares in it.
Are you freaking kidding me? So that pays for all this.
Basically.
Well, depending on what they are.
Yeah.
Stardust
They
Dragon's
were-
like $250.
And if you sell them.
Yeah.
250?
Yeah,
We got a
250.
Roland.
Oh my god.
Oh, nice.
Is that collector's?
No,
It's just Roland.
just rolling.
It's an infernal.
Ultras are nice though, in general, in this set. So either ultras.
Because it's not a guaranteed ultra.
Yep.
Got Angel.
I would just go in the super.
Yeah. I know. Fluffle Angel's worth like what, 24 cents?
I don't know. Something.
Oh sweet, I got the other one. Evocator, Chaos 7, I don't know where you want that one. Right here?
No, that's a
That-
different. Chaos
Toon
Zone
Oh,
is
Terror.
that's
different.
space, that's not space.
Yeah.
Toon Terror.
Toon Terror sucks for now.
Oh, no.
Out of all of them.
Wait,
it's
it's
not
what?
worth- Toon Terror is not worth
Oh.
a lot.
Is that, we're still putting there? I don't fucking know.
Yeah, that goes in there. So all supers except for Chaos Space.
Okay,
Well,
so
there's-
super is holographic?
So
Super has a shiny picture, not a shiny name.
Okay.
and then ultra rares are
Shiny,
shiny
picture
and
and shiny.
name.
Okay.
Saber 2. Worth about 34 cents.
Jeez, you'll take that?
Oh, I'm probably going to take that over Pot of Desires, but. If you want to find me on YouTube, I'm actually Ghost Trick.
Are you really? I'm gonna start up. I'm in the process of starting up.
We got
a YouTube channel.
Microcoder.
I go in the super. It's like 30 cents maybe.
How's your OCD letting this go?
Real fun over here.
Yes.
Masked Hero Acid.
His superpowers, he has a gun.
For his side special, he wields a gun.
Little sport gun.
I'm surprised they even let him have a gun in this picture.
Oh, it's
Masked
Heroes.
Oh, so Matt, they can do that?
Yeah, just like Fiendus can have a skin tight outfit.
I've
As long
never
as it-
thought about that, dude.
Whoa now.
Sublimation Knight.
What's your...
You
what's your-
never thought about it. Like,
Who's
really?
there? Fiendus? No, not Fiendus.
It's
See, I'm in love with like the Dragon Maids.
well, yeah, but Fiendus is TCG.
There you go, Tim. You can have these.
Dragon Maids are now too.
Yeah, but Subterra came out first in the TCG.
But she's green.
We got Kodak. No, wait, Angel.
Start a second 5 for theirs.
Sorry,
You're good.
I'm used to my friend wanting Kodak. He flat out asked me, "Hey, if I buy you this box of 2 Chaos, can I have all of the Kodaks?" And I'm like, "Sure. What are you gonna do with it?" I'm making a Code Talker deck, and it's like, why?
Yeah.
Apparently, it can extra link. Toon Terror.
We have way too many of those.
Yeah, let's start throwing all the cards.
I might take some of
Where'd you pick all the
I only
packs
need
up?
one. I
You
think-
ordered it online?
We need 3 of one and then 1 of the other.
You trust that place?
Yeah.
So I can see,
TCG, I mean, where did you say?
Target. I
I
got it from
I
Target.
like it. It's 2 names, like Toad and something on
Troll and
eBay.
Toad.
Troll and Toad.
Is that's how they, I like that guy.
Chaos
always-
Space.
I've always been honest, that guy's always been fair with me when I get a box, it seems like I'm,
Yeah, that is 2 in a row. Yeah, Troll and Toad has a lot more,
Reliability.
yeah, than
so
TCG.
I agree with you on that.
See, with TCG, you only buy
Valkyrie.
from people who are selling like 50,000, who have sold 50,000 and have good reviews.
We have a lot of people on this. Yeah, well, but.
Yeah, like that Yu-Gi-Oh shop dude, Yu-Gi-Oh sales dude. I would never buy from that motherfucker.
Hey, quit shipping.
Wait, is this PG?
Valkyrie.
No, it's 18 plus.
No, of course it's 18 plus.
I drink on my channel, so
Do you?
yeah. Sometimes I game, drunk and stuff.
We'll
It's
give
fun.
Got Meister.
What systems
Woo.
Huh?
What systems do you have
14 cents.
I sold all my other systems.
to make your
Stop
PC better?
fixing the cards and making them
No,
right side
it's-
up.
No, I just
Strong
didn't, I just didn't use them. So
What'd you get? You get 24 in that box or 36 or what?
I got 60 of them.
Angel.
That?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep on putting them upside down just to bug you, sir.
Oh no. I bought these from Target. All these from Target. I just had the box, so I can throw it in there. So these packs I got from Target.
Oh, so you
Were these
ordered
all out
from
on the
Target?
shelves? Are there any left?
Is that
No.
is that how you do it? You just order from Target, or you went out there?
No,
and
I went
got
out there and looked to see if they had any and got them all.
So I
them? And you
triple
picked them
checked.
all up?
Yeah, I bought it
Oh,
out.
you animal,
It's
that's
not.
awesome.
Huh?
Come on, one more
You did
collection.
that today?
Let me pull it, please.
Toon
Yesterday.
Ter.
I did that yesterday.
Way too many.
Nice.
They have a ton of eternity codes out there. I might go get them, but I don't know yet.
Yeah.
Because they might have a, I'm still looking for that.
I'm looking for
Taylor.
Chaos Impact.
Effect trailer, was there like a?
Starlight.
Starlight
Oh,
Effective.
shit.
Yeah, Starlight Effective. It's like $1,000 card.
Sublimation Night.
Well, that's what I'm gonna do next time, instead of trying to open up the file. Don't be bending any corners.
Yep.
Toon Harpy.
Man, John just plays and goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. He knows.
He doesn't like losing.
No, dude, I know.
Pretty well today.
He did.
He was talking shit to me after I beat him.
Well, yeah, because if he loses, it's on you. We got Toon Blackluster Soldier.
Sweet.
Nice.
Okay.
How much is that?
$20.
$20 maybe.
Take that.
20 to 30.
Not bad, not bad.
I'm
Not
getting look,
bad,
good look
it's-
off of these.
It's a new tune.
It is a new team.
Are you looking for anything specifically?
No, I'm just gonna.
Chaos Deletalus.
I'm gonna go,
Throw that in
I'm
there.
looking for kind of a couple, like I said, just.
Man, I pulled that. I thought it was good, and you guys have pulled like 4
Yeah.
after it.
It's like, ha.
You got
Yeah.
any fluffles in there?
No, I don't play no fluffles, I'm gonna try to try these tune decks. I'm not much. of a
I'm surprised
tune
we
deck.
haven't gone an extravagance.
Yeah.
Right? That's what I'm
Yvette?
looking for.
3 packs left. Which one is it gonna be?
I like this here, I'm ready.
Watch, it's like one of those.
To be honest, I probably already threw like a really rare card in there.
Micro Cutter.
It's like Christmas.
Yeah, it's good, people.
Alright, go ahead, Alan.
Last pack.
Me?
Yeah.
Alright.
I already got a clutch for sure.
Right. He's already winning, dude.
See, there- somebody's
Yeah?
cards at one time, that's a-
Collector for Extravagance. Get on my list.
Yeah.
That would be
I
insane.
mean, I was true, I mean, it's just a super.
Yeah,
Regular
sometimes.
Stardust.
Oh,
Chaos Valkyrie.
This one that I got plugged
If you
in.
trade one for one,
So far, I have like,
That doesn't even look like it. I don't remember a
6,
bird being in there.
I think.
well, I don't think, does it
6
look
collector's
like
rares.
card?
7.
Another cancel.
No.
Alright, cancel here.
God damn.
It
So
looks
that's
like-
it, huh?
It looks like the original one to me.
Let's double check.
If I were
this.
you, I'd go through these.
Yeah. So we got one collector's rare chaos base.
Hey, so.
It's not bad.
That really not others.
And
We've got Triple
Good,
Daedalus.
good card, you gotta put this.
triple dealers. Yep.
You got that good card,
Which one?
boys, the one, the high dollar one, the two,
Double Roland.
Which one?
the one
Toon
that, I
Blackluster Soldier.
don't care about that one, I'm talking about the collector's rare
Collector's
one.
Rare.
The chaos base.
Where's that one at?
It's right
The
there.
collector's rare? This
Yeah,
one.
be careful, so Ben,
Sleeve
let
it.
me have it.
Oh, I have, yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Double
You know what?
Chaos.
You know what?
Creator?
You
Yeah.
drop that on the ground,
And
It is bent right
Triple
away.
Chaos
you
Space.
drop them on the
There
ground,
we
in the
go.
corner.
And we're just gonna look through these, double check.
See, I don't look
That's all the
at
gammas you got.
Yep. One for you, one for me.
I'm sure there's more in there.
Playing today, you guys did
Yeah, I don't know
good.
if
I
Alex
just did
is
a
looking
couple.
at 'em.
I
I
did
get
not
it.
really
Oh,
like
you want
that
more?
for, I did a lot of stupid things today.